Saurabh, do you think opening with Irfan Pathan is the right call, even if you want to leave out Virendra Sehwag? Should India open with Irfan Pathan, or should perhaps they should look at Virat Kohli?
Yeah, I don't think Irfan Pathan is a solution for India. If at all they don't want to play Virendra Sehwag, they can open with Virat Kohli. Before this game, I felt that India had the option of either leaving Sehwag out or Yuvraj Singh out. I presume that Sehwag will be back against Pakistan. He's got a very good record against Pakistan. If India go in with five bowlers, then Yuvraj Singh could be an option who could be left out. Or against Pakistan, you might just see India bringing back three fast bowlers and one spinner and using their part-time spinners and then bringing Virendra Sehwag back at the top of the order.
Right, but Saurabh, just to be the devil's advocate here, do you think that would be fair on Virat Kohli? I mean, batsmen get very used to playing in a certain position. I know that this is T20 cricket and there's always a dynamic situation, but do you think Kohli will be too happy with that?
I'm sure he will be, and I don't think it's much of a change because if you remember the game against New Zealand in Chennai, Virat Kohli opened the batting and got runs. So I don't think he would be too upset with that shift in the batting order. I don't think it's a problem at all. When you're playing well, it's easier to go up the order than coming down.
Yes, but overall, Dada, it's not really just that opening slot which is the big worry for India. Today's performance kind of brings out the brittleness in the middle order as well. If Virat Kohli doesn't give us that kind of stand, which we've become rather accustomed to getting from him, then the rest of the batting seems quite exposed, is it? Would you agree?
No, I don't think so. I think it's one of those bad days India had today. Australia completely outplayed them. You have to give credit to Australia with the way they played today. They bowled well. Pat Cummins was outstanding in this game along with Shane Watson.